Let's work on the letter F. We produce the letter F by placing our top frontal teeth on the back of our bottom lip, inside our mouth. Release cold, continuous air. You only need your bottom lip. There is no use of vocal cords. Voiceless. It's almost like a whistle. It's a great letter to transition to a vowel sound. Fa, fa, fa. Fe, fe, fe. Fo, fo, fo. Fa, fa, fa. Fe, fe, fe. Fo, fo, fo. This is almost a sexy sound, so smile and create a bounce effect, especially with back vowels like fee, 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 foo, foo, foo. Fee, 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 foo, foo, foo. Some consonants, like R or L, have an effect on the letter F. Therefore, create the F with your teeth and lips. Mark the L or R with your tongue tip. Fling, fridge, fly, fry. If you need further help with L or R, go to our interactive index and check those chapters out. Then return here afterwards. Some common mistakes. Using both lips. Incorrect. Fa, fa, fa. Correct. Fa, fa, fa. Remember to smile. Smiling helps because we don't want to accidentally use both of our lips. So we don't want to say v, v, v. Fa, fa, fa. Use only one lip and your frontal teeth for this sound. Extend, enjoy, and pretend to blow a balloon.